Hey, so are you looking at myleadgensecret as a traffic source that you may want to use to build and grow your business? Or you may be using myleadgensecret and you're wondering how to get more results with it. You're wondering how to get this traffic to actually convert into sales. You may have a list of 10,000 people on that list inside this system, and you're like, okay, well, why am I getting little to no results? Well, you came to the right place, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this traffic source and how they actually, get their traffic. So basically, this traffic source is a lower quality traffic, right? And how you basically get leads is they provide them based on the leads that are straight from the internet. So they scrape these leads, and then they actually have systems in place to collect clicks for people, which, that's how you get the views, right? So they're not technically your lead until they actually get onto your list. So I would not be sending any offers to this without doing it to a capture page, so that way these leads actually get onto your list instead of being in the system. When they're in this system, basically they're not your leads. They're not going to be your leads until they get onto your list. So these claims right here are some kind of very hypey, right? And they talk about the sales funnel, which, this is good because this is, accurate. But as far as this lead source, the lead source that this is, you'll be spending more on different accounts, especially if you watch the YouTube gurus who tell you to get 5 to 6 accounts or maybe even 10 accounts. So you're spending more money per month on these accounts and getting little to no results. And honestly, I would not be using this traffic source. It's a low quality traffic source. You're not going to get the kind of results that you want to. And the only reason that the big earners are getting results from this is because they're selling you a strategy on YouTube. So they go on YouTube, they create a video series with a process, and when you follow that process, they get commissions. They're getting commissions on everything that they're telling you to sign up for. Now, technically, they don't use these platforms themselves to generate the thousands of dollars they do every single month, right? They don't use these same sources to do that, right? They're getting majority of their traffic from YouTube. So think about it. They're selling you a strategy to get these different accounts so they make the commissions, and then they're putting out video content which helps people to come into their world and come into their life. And so that's where they're getting their leads from. They're getting the highest quality leads from YouTube, but they're telling you to use traffic sources just like this to make your money. And that's not how they're doing it. They understand marketing. They understand how to package offers and bonuses and things like that. They understand how to actually get in front of people. And that's where you're lacking at, right? That's why they're able to actually create a video series and give you a process. Whether the process works or not, they're going to get their leads, right? And the process sounds good to you, so you're going to follow the process to a T to get those results, right? But they don't use that same process. So is what I would suggest to you is to, come over here to my traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com, and get some traffic from me, right? Because I make sure that you get high quality leads, that you get the best quality solo ad traffic that you can on the internet that's available. And I want to make sure that your offer is targeted and you get the best quality traffic, and that your landing page and sales copy are congruent. Because when people come to your page and you go and you're retaining people, you get to opt in. You want to make sure that that information on your capture page is congruent with the sales copy, so that way when they opt in, they know exactly what to expect, and they're more likely to buy from you, right? And most importantly, the traffic source that you get it from has to be a high quality traffic source. It can't be a low quality traffic source like myleadgensecret, or else you'll get little to no results, right? And so where I get my traffic from is Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, WordPress, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So when you get traffic from me, that's exactly where you'll be getting traffic from, is a variety of those different sources. And so step one, how it works is you select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1, so you pick the one that works best for you. 100% tier 1 is always the best. And then we do a campaign review. So after you book your traffic package, you can schedule your call with me, and I hop on a Zoom with you, and I help you to actually get results. This is your strategy call, so that way you're not spending money and getting little to no results, right? I don't want you to spend your money with me or anybody else and go down a rabbit hole, right? That's how I was when I was first buying solo ads, and nobody would help me. And if you go to somewhere like Udemy, the people on Udemy, you just, give them a link, and they really don't give you any feedback to your funnel. They just take it and run traffic to whatever. I'm not that way. That's why I don't sell on Udemy. I do have an account on there, but I don't sell on there because I don't want to do business that way. I do all my business through Facebook. And so step 3, after we set up your call and we do your call, then we do the campaign launch. And your campaign normally starts within 72 hours or less. So if you're asking when will the traffic start, normally within 72 hours or less. The only exception to that is if you book a call, then it would start after the call. So whenever you book the call for it, it would start after that. Here's my highest testimonial to date. It's 90% tier 1 or 90% opt-in rate with 98% tier 1 and 2 sales or 3 sales on 200 clicks. So 90% opt-in rate is unheard of in the industry. If you've ran solo ads before, you know that most people, nobody has had an opt-in rate like that, but I have, right? It only happened one time, but it happened, right? So this is one of the testimonials that I have, and here's some other ones. So as we scroll down right here, you can see the other testimonials as well. You can take a look at that. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. And right here are some of the questions that you may have. So if you have any questions, you want to look in here to see if your question has already been answered. Most likely it will be. And here's my guarantee to you that I'll give you 100% real traffic, no bots, 100% real. And, I do not offer refunds, just to let you know. But what I can do is actually... I could compensate you in traffic. If you have any issues with your order, I will compensate you in traffic if it requires that. If need be, I will compensate you. I will give you the best quality customer service that you could possibly get. And you can always talk to me, right? You can always reach out to me either right here or on Facebook. So if you leave a message down here, I'll get it. Or you could write me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and I will get your message. And I will communicate with you on Facebook, and we will have a conversation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, I want to give you the highest quality service that I can. And since I don't offer refunds, and I can't offer refunds on paid traffic because it's already paid, and when you're running paid traffic, there's a budget there, right? So I just want you to know I can compensate you with traffic. If you have any issues with your order, I will make it right. I will do what I can to actually make sure you're 100% satisfied. So make sure you reach out to me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Make sure you click the links below this video to come to my traffic store. And also, click the link below this video. I have a free Facebook group that you can actually go into, and I give tips, tricks, and training on how to build and scale your business. So make sure you click on those links below this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.